Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our daily English practice show.
Hi, I'm here.
Today's topic is talked to family, sentences we use with our family members every day.
Oh, nice. Family conversations.
Yes, let's learn 22 useful sentences for talking to family.
I'm ready.
Great, let's start. 22 family conversation sentences. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our daily English practice show.
Hi, I'm here.
Today's topic is talked to family, sentences we use with our family members every day.
Oh, nice. Family conversations.
Yes, let's learn 22 useful sentences for talking to family.
I'm ready.
Great, let's start. Wake up, it's morning. Wake up, it's morning.
Okay.
Did you eat breakfast? Did you eat breakfast?
Not yet.
Come and have breakfast. Come and have breakfast.
I'm coming.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was good.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Just outside.
When will you come back? When will you come back?
In the evening.
Can you help me for a minute? Can you help me for a minute?
Sure.
Please clean your room. Please clean your room.
Okay, I will.
Don't fight with your brother. Don't fight with your brother.
All right.
Be careful on the road. Be careful on the road.
I will.
Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework?
Not yet.
Come home early today. Come home early today.
I'll try.
Let's eat together. Let's eat together.
Sure.
Turn off the fan or light. Turn off the fan or light.
Okay.
Don't shout, speak softly. Don't shout, speak softly.
Sorry.
Take your medicine on time. Take your medicine on time.
I will.
Call me if you need anything. Call me if you need anything.
Okay.
Please sit with us for a while. Please sit with us for a while.
Sure.
Stop using your phone for a bit. Stop using your phone for a bit.
All right.
Are you feeling okay now? Are you feeling okay now?
Yes, better.
Let's talk. I miss you. Let's talk. I miss you.
Aw, I miss you too.
Good night. Sleep well. Good night. Sleep well.
Good night.
So, that was today's topic, talked to family. Practice these sentences every day with your family.
Thank you. I learned a lot.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow with a new topic.
See you. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Stay motivated and keep learning.